Baby, kay mo eh.
Is this son of the police? Is the son of the... Why you filming, bro?
Look, you don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and park. You be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in.
Yeah,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a vlog. I thought I would start the vlog today. I'm on the train with my sis, and we're on our way to Brussels. We're gonna go to Brussels for the day, chill a little bit and all of that. So I thought I would vlog today because I don't do much these days, so whenever I do, I have to vlog it. But anyways, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe. Yes. And also turn on your post notifications.
Hit that bell so you can
Be notified whenever I upload. Yeah, sorry, I wanted to include you. I wanted to be all cute and whatever. But anyways, to Brussels we go.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that.
So, amiga, we scored a sandwich a caprese sandwich. And we're at this beautiful park. We're gonna sit here, have our food, and then start exploring. But we were a little hungry. It's also very early still. Like, what time is it? It's now 11 and we just arrived and everything. So yeah, we're gonna relax and eat our food, and then we'll get back to you in a little bit.
Tell us your outfit, girl. What is you wearing? Ooh, the views is amazing.
Is it? Any woozy.
Any whoozy.
The jacket is from Costas.
Uh-huh.
Then the top is from...
We need to get rid of this.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
That you both fair. My jacket is from Costas.
Uh-huh.
It's a little warm for this, but it's fine.
You talking like it's summer? It's not summer, bitch.
Yeah, it's not summer, but you know.
Uh-huh.
I feel it. I'm feeling the vitamin D. You know,
Uh-huh.
that vitamin D.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no other.
For
Any hoodie.
mm-hmm.
Jacket is Costas.
Uh-huh.
Top is Pieces.
Yes.
Then underneath it, I'm wearing a body from Zara. And then we have my jeans. These are H&M. And then I have my Gucci belt on. Like Vans, you know, to be easy to walk, you know.
Classic Vans.
Yes. And then, yeah. Who would thought Gucci and Primark would be in the same sentence, but the back is from Primark.
Bruh. Ain't nobody cares about that.
As long as it looks good, I'm fine with it.
Period poop.
And hair is in braids. Like, look at my hair.
Whole new girl. Who this?
That's me. Yeah.
Pwede kay mo eh.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
Oh my god, we have such cute pictures. The Instagram is gonna be popping. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This was such a good idea. This is a vibe. I feel like I'm in Paris or something.
Is the son of the police? Is the son of the police? Is the son of the police?
I just did a whole update in slow motion.
It wasn't, girl, it wasn't a whole update. It was like 2 minutes.
Okay,
Come on.
that's a lot. for an update. But anyways, we're now walking, or we're gonna try to find the Palace of Justice, because I feel like that's a must-see when you come to Brussels. I hope we can find it, but we should be able to because we have phones with internet and we should be fine. So let's go. Are you ready? Okay, all right. My sister's trying to do an update as well. We're with 2 vloggers today, so I'm gonna stop vlogging and let her do her update.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need right.
I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. That's what I can see. It's like a lady falling into the water. And guess what, amiga? We found it! It's there behind us. Woo!
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need right. Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Okay, amiga, we are now at some other park, a very beautiful one. The Palace of Justice was really worth it, really pretty. If you're ever in Brussels, we really recommend to go see it. Really beautiful view, and the statue, to me, I thought it was really pretty. She didn't really care for it that much, but it was really nice. And now we're just gonna chill and have a little drink at this little park and maybe take a little time lapse. So yeah. Alright, amiga, we just got some McDonald's. It's been a while since we spoke to you, but we walked all the way back to the city and now we're gonna have lunch. which is Mickey D's. We got, what did we got again? Veggie McChicken. Veggie McChicken. So we're gonna have that, and then we're gonna move along. Amiga, I don't know if you can see this, but look at those two men playing Spider-Man. They're washing the windows though, but I just looked up and I was like, oh my god, what the fuck? What in the Spider-Man is going on? But like, they were just washing the windows. Amiga, we're now at some gallery. They have like little stores with chocolates and stuff, but most things are closed, so that's a bummer. But I think it's due to COVID. But yeah, we're gonna walk around a little bit, and then I think we're gonna close off the day because it's already 4 o'clock.
Oh wow.
Yeah, time flew by. But yeah, this is really beautiful. Look at the ceiling. Like, look at that. Pretty. Amiga, we are now back at Brussels Central, and we're now gonna get a Starbucks and then find our train back to Antwerp. And yeah, I'm slowly closing down the day. I wasn't really able to talk that much today to you. I hope that is okay. So today's video was a lot of scenery. Hope that's fine. You know, it cannot always
surround.
Yes, but we were also like exploring, enjoying, and just like, you know, basically enjoying.
Yeah, and at one point you're like, I have enough clothes to go around.
Yes, we didn't do shopping today. We just got like a few little things that we needed, and that's it.
And just exploring.
Yeah, today was more like wandering
out and
around.
about.
Yeah, figuring out like, you know, the city and seeing pretty stuff. So definitely should visit more often. And I saw my sister today since December the last time, so that was crazy. We had a lot to catch up on, even though we speak to each other every day through FaceTime. But still, you know, it's still nice to see each other in person and talk and, you know, spend some time together. So yeah, I hope that's okay with, even if it's not, it should be okay, because it's my life. It's my life like that. But yeah, this is my life.
Khloe Kardashian.
I don't think I'm gonna close the vlog off yet. We're gonna get some Starbucks and hop on to our train towards Antwerp. Chupa 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 chupa. Bye Brussels. Say bye to Brussels news. Bye Brussels. Bye Brussels.
Yeah. Time to jam up a woman, okay?
Alright, time has come for me to say goodbye to my sister. I'm almost at my stop, and she's gonna continue her ways. Love you, sis. It was so much fun. I'll check in with you in a little bit, but I'm gonna step out of my train at Bedfam because I'm almost there.
Alright, amiga, your girl is back home. I had so much fun today. I already changed into something comfy because I was wearing a bodysuit, and we all know how that goes. At the end of the day, like, you want to get that thing off your coochie, so that's what I did. But yeah, I'm back home. I had an amazing day. It was so fun to see my sister again. And I mean, the last time I saw her was in December. It doesn't feel like that long ago, but because I speak to her every day on FaceTime, but it's not the same. So yeah, it was just nice to actually have her there, being able to hug her and talk to her and everything, you know, just spend time together or see beautiful things together, things like that. And yeah, I wanted to close off this video by showing you what I got. It's not much today, but that was not the purpose of this little city trip. So I got like some macarons, because you just have to when you go to Brussels. And these are from my favorite, which is Pierre Marcolini. Oh, one cracked up, but this is what they look like. Super pretty. So I'm gonna devour those later. I'm really excited. But first I'm gonna make dinner and everything before I have any of these. And then I also got the Monsieur Big mascara. I saw a lot of good videos about this, so I wanted to try it for myself. It's from Lancôme, I think. Yeah, it's from Lancôme. And then I also have like a few testers that I got from the lady. I got 3 of the Intimacy one, and then also 1 of the pink Intimacy. So that's that. And Benny's also coming home anytime now. So yes, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this video was still fun to watch, because I feel like I haven't been really able to talk that much in the vlog. So I hope that's okay with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And I hope we can all travel soon, like to see more places, and for you to also be able to actually visit Brussels, because it's so beautiful. And my sister and I also made a plan that we should go back, because there were a few things that I am dying to see. There's this place that is called the Atomium, and I have been wanting to go there for such a long time. So next time we're definitely gonna do that. But yeah, we did so much today that we fell a little bit short on time, so that's for next time. But yes, that's that. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. Stay safe, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah.